In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change costumes in Resident Evil Revelations 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about unlocking new costumes in Resident Evil Revelations 2 and how to change between them on your main save file. So first, for you to actually change costumes in Resident Evil Revelations 2, all that you have to do is go over to the campaign, and immediately upon choosing the campaign, one of the options at the bottom is going to be special settings, as you can see here. If you choose special settings, you will be able to change the costumes and the screen effects. For this video, I'm going to be focusing on the costumes. So as you can clearly see, you will be able to change costumes for Claire, Mara, Barry, and then Natalia. You have a lot of outfits for all of these characters, and some of them are going to be unlocked by default, others are going to be unlocked through certain endings, and others are going to be unlocked by purchasing them as DLC. So some examples would be for Claire, default, sniper, classic, rodeo, terra save, and so on. So there are a lot of options to choose from. In this video, I'm not going to go over how to unlock every single outfit, but I'm going to show you some examples of these outfits on screen, for the default ones at least. And like I said, you will be able to change them through them as you wish. You can find more on stores like the Steam store when you look through expansions for the game, and you will be able to purchase them as DLC. After you acquire them, they will be available immediately for you to equip right away. If you don't see the costume or special settings when you go over to the campaign option, you might need to proceed the story further. I saw some people discussing that you need to complete part 3 of the campaign, so keep that in mind. If you don't see it, just keep progressing the main story until eventually you see the costumes and special settings available when you choose campaign. This process will be the same for all platforms where the game is available. I hope I was able to help you on how to change costumes in Resident Evil Revelations 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.